Let me tell you how the story goes. It all started with a handmade rose. I gave it to you shy and sweet. Our fingers brush, our hearts would meet. Why did you leave me all alone? Now I just talk to dial your tone. You said forever, now you're gone. I'm stuck on playing on my phone. The nights are cold, the bed feels wide. Since our love packed up and left my side. Why did you leave me all alone? Now I just talk to dial your tone. I scroll through our pictures, can't bring myself to delete. Every smile's a reminder of a love I can't repeat. You're out there living, I'm here losing sleep, writing songs about you, promise I couldn't keep. Now it's just me with echoes of you, heart in pieces, but what can I do? Watching the sunrise with nobody to hold, missing the warmth in a world so cold. But